Air layering mango trees, step-by-step guide. Air layering is a simple propagation method that allows you to grow a new mango tree from an existing one without cutting it down. It encourages roots to form on a branch while it's still attached to the parent tree. Once roots develop, the branch is cut and planted as a new tree. What you'll need: healthy, mature mango tree, sharp knife or pruning blade, rooting hormone, optional but helpful, soil and cocopeat or moist sphagnum moss, plastic wrap or clear plastic bag, twine or tape, aluminum foil to block sunlight. Steps: select a healthy branch. Choose a healthy pencil-thick branch, about the size of your finger, preferably one that's 1 to 2 years old. Wound the branch. Make a clean cut around the branch, about 1 inch wide, to remove a ring of bark. Scrape off any green cambium layer underneath to prevent it from healing. Apply rooting hormone, optional. Apply rooting hormone to the exposed area to encourage faster root development. Wrap with moist moss. Soak sphagnum moss or coco coir in water. Squeeze out excess, then wrap it tightly around the wounded area. Cover and seal. Wrap the moss with plastic wrap and secure both ends with twine or tape. Then, cover the whole area with foil to keep it dark and moist. Wait and monitor. Check every few weeks. Roots usually form in 4 to 8 weeks, depending on weather and tree health. Cut and plant. Once you see strong roots, cut below the root ball and plant the new tree in soil. Tips: best time to air layer mango is during the growing season, spring or early summer. Keep the moss moist throughout the process. Newly planted air layered trees may need support and regular watering. Thank you for watching.